Hello everyone, it's Miss Sarah. Thank you for joining me again for World Culture Wednesday. This month, we will be celebrating a new country as part of our Roots series sponsored by the Nissan Foundation and the County of San Diego. Each week during World Culture Wednesday, we will be learning a little bit more about the cultures of Italy. And today, we are going to explore some Italian cuisine. Now, what food comes to mind when you think of Italy? I know I think of a lot of different cheeses and spaghetti and other pastas. Gelato, oh, it's all so delicious. But today we are going to learn a little bit more about pizza. The pizza we know today was created when tomato was added to a flatbread dish in Naples, Italy, many years ago. Today, one of the most popular types of pizza throughout the country is the pizza margherita. This pizza was created in 1889 when a pizza maker was asked to make pizza for the Queen. The toppings he used included tomato, mozzarella cheese, and basil, representing the three colors of the Italian flag: green, white, and red. What are some of your favorite pizza toppings? If you're feeling pretty hungry after all this talk about pizza, head on over to our blog for a recipe and enjoy a fun pizza night in with your family. I'd love to see all the Italian dishes you create with your family. Thanks so much for learning a little bit with me today, and I hope to see you next week when we continue to explore Italy. Bye everyone!